What's going on? This is Evan with the Naturally Inclined YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day in Key West. Today we're going to take the boat out and see what we can do. It's a sea of sargassum. I just picked up Shlomi. Now we're going to head out.
No rain, here rain. That's crazy, only in Key West.
Okay, so now we're in shallow water and we're trying to find some bait fish. So we got a few options we're going to try to use. You don't need to squeeze at all. So I threw the anchor too close to the beach, and now we're in like 2-3 feet of water. So right now I'm going to try to push us away with the pole, and if that doesn't work, then I'm going to reset the anchor. So now I move the anchor over here, push the boat a little farther away from the island. Now we're in about 6-7 feet of water. So Shlomi threw a bait trap over there. I'm not sure if you can see the bobble at the top of the water. So he's trying to catch pinfish or bait fish or anything that's alive over there. So we're gonna check that out in a few. Shlomi first catch, small mangrove snapper on the Sabiki. Very small bait fish here. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. Very small.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they're right. Good.
Shlomi got something? There we go. Shlomi got a nice little pinfish. We're gonna keep. Use that as live bait.
Yeah.
Little guy all alone. Got a little live well pump here. I'm gonna put that in the bucket. See it bubbling? On the Sabiki, that's doing well. Right now, I'm waiting for the fish to come up so I can hopefully use the cast net. Shlomi with another pinfish on the Sabiki. He's chopping little chunks off a frozen ballyhoo. Little chunks. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm starting to see more fish come to the top. These are really small though. So, I'm gonna wait, hopefully see some big ones. Throw the cast net. I just shook up the chum. That's going to be real helpful later. Let's go. Another one. Nice. We got pinfish. Looks like about a dozen, I'd say. I took the chum out of the water. I'm going to move. Maybe more than a dozen, he said. Oh, baby grunt.
There you go. That's the trap.
Nice. 15 feet of water. Fish on the bottom. In the middle.
Yeah, man. There's definitely some stuff here. That's the fact that I don't even have the thing.
Look, it came back chewed up. Very chewed up. Oh, got a little live grunt. My grunt down there is dancing. Come on. Something's tugging on it, but it won't hook set. Let me check it out.
Yeah?
Can you imagine something was on there?
No,
Something's on there.
It's a yellowtail.
A little baby yellowtail.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. I didn't even know.
Yellowtail. No, throw that back. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there's yellowtails here, man.
Oh, there you go. Spit it out. You probably could keep it. Not going to. Sweet.
Beautiful.
See a barracuda.
Damn the fact that I don't even have the thing.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ah, look how many.
Yo. That could have been bad. Come on, buddy. Catch me a nice big fish.
It's a small live bait, so even small fish can go.
It's all the way to the bottom. 3-ounce egg weight. About what? 4 feet of line on the leader. Now we're in there. Shlomi using the nice live pinfish. Good size.
Go big or go home.
Oh, he's a big snapper.
Another one.
Not small.
Or lane. What is it? Yeah, that's a lane snapper. You can keep this. It's very good eating. That's lane snapper. Nice size. But I think your cast net now can do wonders.
Something small. I can't believe I have a fish on there. What, did you just hook it now, or like, what happened?
Small one, but fish.
There's a mutton? Mutton snapper.
Baby mutton snapper.
It's the only way I can get him out. He swallowed it.
Yeah, let him have the hook.
I have the hook, unfortunately. They should rust after a couple days. Rust off. All right, good luck, buddy. Best I could do.
That's a nice small one. Only
A little baby yellowtail.
not baby, but not even a kid.
It's close.
Ta-da!
Give it a little line. Yo. See you later. Yo. Easy.
Security, all stations, all stations, all stations. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Key West, Florida. U.S. Coast Guard Sector Key West, Florida.
Red
U.S.
pilchard.
Coast Guard Sector Key West, Florida. First safety marine information broadcast concerning a hazard to navigation. Frequency 157.1 megahertz. Out.
There we go, buddy. Oops. Sorry. I think I crossed your line.
tell you.
Here we go. You like the thread pilchard? I got something here. Something small. Little snapper, little baby. You went for the thread herring.
Lane.
A baby lane.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. It's a shark. Here we go. That's good.
The drag is too open.
Close the drag a little bit. Yeah, you're right. Yep. Come on. Oh, that's it. Oh no. Still on there. What is this? Oh, a shark here. Hammerhead. Shit. Here we go.
Yep.
Yeah, he's trying to go. Perfect timing. There we go, buddy. Hey, don't take my hook. If I can get that back. Yep. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. I can get that out of your mouth. Oh, it's went right through. Let me see here. Oh man. What the fuck? Damn, he's like got himself caught up in the hook. Here we go. There we go. Alright. Wow, that was way more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. I still kept most of my line here. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the hook. And I'm back in business.
Yeah.
Shlomi.
Not so big.
What you got on there?
Baby red grouper.
Wow.
Baby red.
Baby red grouper. Little red grouper there. There he goes. Spun around a few times.
Security. Hello, station, hello. This is Coast Guard, Texas, US.
Better challenge for you, to be honest. Number 8. It's the fishing captain.
Information broadcast on gunnery exercise.
You can hear them talk and they give a lot of information.
1022 frequency 157.1 megahertz out.
Tiny yellowtail. Look how we caught that. Caught it from the side.
Yeah, don't mess with my bait.
Crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, we're holding. Chum in.
Look at it.
A lot of fish.
Look what's
A
going on at the
lot.
bottom. Look, you can see them. It's only 12 feet, so we can see the feet. See that?
I think it was. It's not good. Be a big video. That is an extremely big pinfish for a very light tackle rod. It's crazy.
We are left only with big ones.
Look, I'm getting bit.
No way.
Yeah. Look, bit immediately.
Huh?
Bit immediately.
Bring it. That'll be a very nice fish. Don't let it go to the bottom.
Well, I'm gonna let go. See. Alright, still something on there.
Your drag is short.
So what do you know? What do you know?
Yeah, buddy. Whoa, buddy.
Whoa!
Oh, my.
Whoa!
Captain?
No. On video, yeah, I think so.
You did?
Oh, I still got something.
It's still there, it's still there. Keep the line tight.
Yo.
Yeah, buddy.
You went for it quick. Wow. What is this, huh? Oh, there it goes.
If you don't have wire.
Wow. Wow. There it is. Right. Yep.
Find the drop.
Right now we just went down a drop off. It went from about 15 feet, 8 feet to 30 feet. So it's like a little mountain underneath the water.
The chum in the water.
Yeah. We gotta watch out for the storm over here. Looks like it might be rolling up on us. If it gets close, we'll have to dip. Maybe this will bring something. This guy's still alive. You've earned your freedom. There you go, buddy.
That's it, you call it.
There he goes. He spent the whole day with us. Now we're starting to pack up and get ready to head home. It's getting to be about that time. So
Show them the storm.
it's about a 1 hour drive home. And then look what we have. Got a nice little friend over there. Nice storm. It looks like it's getting bigger. We'll see what happens. Got back to the canal now. Gonna head drop Shlomi off over here and then put the boat on the trailer and head home. Look at all this moss. Just made it home a few minutes ago, starting to clean and break down the boat. I didn't get a whole lot today, but I did end up with a couple of snapper fillets, so that's good. I'm gonna go fry those up for my daughter in a few minutes once I finish cleaning that boat. But otherwise, it was a great day. We saw a lot of things and had a great time. Thanks for joining along, and I'll see you next time. Peace.